Hello students, today we will study about motion. What is motion and how many types of motions are there? Students, let us first find out what is motion. How we can define motion. Motion in very simple words is movement. If you want to define it more accurately and technically, motion can be defined as change in position of a body with respect to time. What does this mean? This means when a body is changing its position with time, then it is called to be in motion. Then that body is in motion. For example, a ball travels from point A to point B in time t seconds. During this process it underwent motion. Students, let us understand how many types of motion are there. Students, types of motion here are categorized on the basis of type of path followed by the object. An object can follow a straight path, it can travel along a circle. Thus, according to type of path it is following, we can divide motion into four types. First one is rectilinear motion. As the name suggests, it is a linear motion. Linear motion means motion in a straight line. For example, vehicle running on a straight road is an example of rectilinear motion. Okay. Second one is circular motion. What happens in circular motion? In circular motion, a body moves along the circumference of the circle. For example, a boy is cycling on a circular track. Okay, this type of motion is circular motion. Earth revolving around sun is also a circular motion. Third one is rotational motion. What happens in rotational motion? In rotational motion, the body moves about its own axis. A very good example is Earth rotating on its axis. See, what we say, Earth revolves around sun also. Earth revolves around sun also, and it rotates on its own axis also. So the rotation on its own axis, about its own axis, is known as rotational motion. And one more example we can see in our homes is fan rotating about its axis. Fan is also performing rotational motion. Okay. Last one is periodic motion. What is periodic motion? Motion that repeats after an equal interval of time. This type of motion is periodic motion. For example, oscillating pendulum. What happens in an oscillating pendulum? See, pendulum goes to its extreme position, then comes back to its mean position, and again it goes to its extreme position and then comes back to its mean position. This all occurs within a fixed time duration. Means this all time periods are fixed and equal. This type of motion is periodic motion.